Dear students, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Today's our offline class is about structure of contractile proteins. Structure of contractile proteins. There we see thick myofilament and thin myofilament. Thick myofilament. The thick myofilaments are made up of polymerized proteins called myosin. The monomeric proteins called meromyosins polymerize to form the myosin protein. Each meromyosin has two parts, a globular head with a short arm and tail. The globular head, along with the short arm, is called heavy meromyosin HMM, and the tail is called light meromyosin LMM. The globular head has a site for binding of actin and ATP. The globular head acts as an ATPase enzyme. It hydrolyzes ATP to produce energy. Each myosin molecule forms a tadpole-like structure where the tails of the molecules are joined to form the body of the myosin filament. Heads and the short arms protrude out of the body and make cross bridges with actin. This figure shows the myosin monomer or meromyosin. You can see the head, tadpole-like head. Then there is a site for actin binding sites, ATP binding sites. Then the cross arm. This figure shows a myosin filament in contact with arm. You can see the body, the actin filaments, M line, hinges, and the cross bridge. So it's a myosin filament in contact with actin filaments. Now thin myofilament. The thin myofilament is made up of three proteins: actin, tropomyosin, and troponin. Actin. Actin is a globular protein which has a low molecular weight. It occurs in two forms: monomeric G actin and polymeric F actin. The G actin polymerizes to form the F actin in the presence of magnesium ion. Tropomyosin. Tropomyosin is a fibrous molecule. The two filaments of tropomyosin run closely along the entire length of the actin. At resting state, it separates the actin and myosin by binding to the myosin binding site on actin filament and hence prevents the cross bridges, which in turn prevents the contraction of the muscle fiber. Now, troponin. At regular intervals of tropomyosin, a complex protein called troponin is present. It masks the active binding sites for myosin on actin filament. A troponin is a trimeric protein, that is, it has three units which acts as the binding sites for three different components. The three units of troponin are troponin first or troponin I. It inhibits actin myosin interaction and binds to other components of troponin. Second is troponin T. It is the binding site for tropomyosin. Then troponin C. It is the binding site for calcium. Now the differences between myosin filaments and actin filaments. Myosin filaments are thick myofilaments found only in A band of sarcomere. Actin filaments are thin myofilaments found in both A and I bands of sarcomere. Myosin filaments. Cross bridges are present, hence have rough surfaces. In actin filaments, cross bridges are absent, hence have smooth surfaces. Myosin filaments, fewer than actin filaments, three of them surrounded each actin filament. Actin filaments, more numerous than myosin filaments, six of them surround each myosin filament. Myosin filaments, they are free at both ends. Actin filaments, free at one end and are joined to Z line at other end. Myosin filaments consist of myosin protein which exists in two forms, light meromyosin and heavy meromyosin. Actin filaments consists of three proteins, actin, tropomyosin and troponin. Myosin filaments do not slide during muscle contraction. Actin filaments slide into edge zone during muscle contraction. So this was all about today's offline class. Thanks.